guys, it's Snitchery here with Riley Rose. This year I am running for Homecoming Queen with the CREME Shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to achieve this homecoming look. We're gonna start with the CREME Shop Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Loosely I'm Home. I know normally doing lips is kind of backwards for a makeup tutorial, but I think this is gonna be the boldest part of the look, so we're gonna build off that. So this is the Cheekmate Powder Blush Palette. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here. I always go for the brightest blush in a palette. So for this look, I think we're gonna try to make it like really over-exaggerated, really bright, so we can focus a little on the cheeks. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of that blush and put it on the tip of my nose. I feel like it brings your entire face together. Next, we're going to go into highlighter. This is the Halo Lovely Highlighter Palette. I'm gonna start with just this like really stark white color here. Then I'm also gonna take it on my finger and put it on the tip of my nose and bring it up onto the bridge. Blend all that out. Next, we're gonna go into the So Shady Heartbreaker Eyeshadow Palette. We're gonna do eyes in a second, but first I'm actually gonna use this brown shade to do a few fake freckles. Obviously, that's like one of my staples, and especially for this look, I think it'll make it really cute. And if one is looking too dark, you can literally just take your fingertip and just tap. Going into that same palette, I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm going to darken up my under eye bags. I always tell people I do this and it always sounds so whack, but it makes your eyes look so much bigger and it's gonna look crazy at first, but when you add the rest of your eye makeup, it's magic. Next, we're gonna go in with the shade So Interested, and I'm just gonna blow that out all over the top of my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Get In Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. Every single time I do my makeup, I do a pretty dramatic wing. I feel like, again, to make my eyes look bigger, that's just sort of like part of my staple. I just went ahead and did my lashes and my mascara off camera, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go into the same highlighter palette, take the same highlight shade and highlight underneath my brow bone and in the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna take the Kiss It Better Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Crybaby, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go over all of my lipstick. As like a final touch, I'm gonna go ahead and use these little star stickers and add them on top of my freckles. And there you have it, super easy. If you like any of the products that I showed you today, go ahead and check out RileyRose.com and be sure to vote for me and the CREME Shop for Homecoming Queen.